I'm Mike from PC Customs from Belgium, and I'm here with my Shui Shen project. It's called Shui Shen. It's a Chinese word for water god. This project is based on the Thermaltake Core P5, and they asked me to modify it a bit. So yeah, that's what I did with it. I put as much as hardware it could carry on it, like the big Asus motherboard with the dual Xenon CPUs on it, the 64 gigs of memory. That was sponsored by Newegg. So thank you for that. You see two GTX 1080s. They actually run in SLI. I actually had to make a custom SLI bridge that's 1 meter long, shielded with a ferrite core around it. I had to use the very long PCI Express Razor cables to connect everything to each other, and it actually works very well without any lag or something. Actually works in SLI. There are a lot of crazy parts on that build, but the craziest one is probably the big manifold I made. So this acrylic sheet actually is made in 2 separate sheets, and I had to use an O-ring around a channel that's milled into the panel that connects all the water cooling blocks to each other in one giant loop into the window. So all the water in the water cooling is actually running through the panel. So that was one of the challenges I had to overwin to get this crazy idea out of my head. Then I had to redesign the entire plate, the back plate, to be able to mount the radiator in the bottom and the power supply in the middle. I actually engraved, laser cut it. I really liked the reference design of the graphics cards of the 1080s, like the triangle shape. I really liked that design, and I felt like kind of sad when I had to put a water block on that. So I designed the shapes of the reference design cards, and I 3D printed a cover to put on top of the water block to have the same look, but the performance of water cooling on my GPUs too. I milled out of one solid block of aluminum because it weighs a lot, and it needed very good feet to be able to carry the structure, and it holds it very well. It doesn't walk away now. Yeah. Also 3D printed the Asus ROG logo everybody knows. I have a lot of 3D printed parts on that too, like the fan ring. I designed everything myself. Sleeved cables, everybody knows the sleeved cables are custom made on length. The hardware components are really like everywhere. So you can't just buy these cables, you really have to make them your own. And those are provided by IceMods. They're really great guys. So yeah, this is what's going on here, and I hope you all like it. I made it specially for CES. I hope I will be here next year too. Yeah, I just do this for a hobby, but it's getting out of hand. But I have several projects coming up for Computex too. I've just go along and do one thing after the other one. If they want me to build something for them or make it crazy, I can make it crazy if I want. Yeah.